So, hello, David. We are glad to see you again here. You played a lot of tournaments here in Croatia, and as always, you managed to give us a great match. So, can we now say that you really like to play in Croatia? And could you tell me, please, how do you like Zadar and Falkensteiner Punta Skala resort?
Yeah, I really like Croatia. Like you said, I played last 2 weeks in Porridge and Rovin, the futures, and now I got in the challenger. So for me, it's a good chance to play the challenger. It's another level than to play futures, and I'm really enjoy the time here in Zadar. The hotel is, amazing for the players that we can stay here, and yeah, I really like it.
So, we can hope to see you next year also here.
Yeah, if I get in, then of course.
Okay, so we have a gift for you from our sponsor Brita. So she works with water filtration since 1966, and this is a great filtration bottle to keep you hydrated on and off the court. So here you go. This for you. You're welcome.